Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Riveo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Riveo is a video effects editor designed for mobile creators who want to add cinematic effects, filters, and dynamic visuals without relying on complex desktop software. The app positions itself as an easy-to-use tool that combines professional-grade video editing features with an interface accessible to casual users, influencers, and small businesses. In practice, Riveo is praised for its wide library of video effects. Users can apply transitions, animated overlays, and filters that enhance social media content in just a few taps. The app supports editing for short-form platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, making it appealing to creators who prioritize fast turnaround and eye-catching results. Its drag-and-drop style interface allows beginners to pick it up quickly while still offering enough depth for intermediate editors. Another strong point is flexibility. Riveo allows users to work with multiple layers, add music, and even incorporate text animations that sync with video timing. Some of the effects are AI-assisted, helping automate common editing tasks such as scene adjustments or motion effects. This reduces the learning curve compared to more technical editing suites. However, there are some limitations. While the free version provides a selection of tools, many premium effects and export options are locked behind a subscription. Some users also report occasional lag or crashes when handling longer or higher resolution videos, especially on older devices. Additionally, while it's excellent for quick creative edits, it may not replace desktop-grade editors for professionals who need precise control or advanced color grading. In summary, Riveo is worth trying if you're looking for a mobile-first video effects editor that delivers quick, creative results for social media. It shines in ease of use and flashy effects, but may feel limited if you need detailed, professional workflows. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.